Hey friends, Mercury Pro Team member Mark Zona, and the one thing, taping Zona show, or even all the way back into my 20s, is I've grown up fishing big water, from Lake Ontario to Erie to Huron to Lake Michigan. And the growing up fishing big water, you always, number one, you have to respect it, especially making long runs, okay? When we're taping, we make runs 40, 50, 60 miles out into some of the Great Lakes. And look, you don't want to, but occasionally you get caught in rough water. And one of the things with my Nitro 21XL is what's on the back of it. And that's not it's not a sales pitch. When you're making those runs, you want to have peace of mind that you are 40 or 50 miles out into a Great Lake and you turn that key and it is time to head back. The other thing about that motor that is huge is low end torque. If the water does grow while you're out offshore and you start to get, big waves, the biggest key, number one, a couple tips on this, the biggest key, slow down. And where that motor performs better than anything is 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs, to where it's so responsive where I can get the bow of that boat up and I am not spearing into big waves, and I know I'm gonna get back to safety. The one thing I can tell you about running big water that can grow on you, number one, slow down, low end power, and always know you have peace of mind and reliability to get back to home.